Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you one of the very important chapter of grammar, English grammar, adjectives. I am going to explain adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing word. Describing word. Do you know what do you mean by describing word? Describing word means the word which gives more meaning to the noun, which adds more meaning to the noun. See, I have written describing words tell more about nouns. Nouns you all know. All the naming words are noun. Naming words, the name of person, place, animal and thing, all are naming words and they are nouns. So, describing words tell more about nouns. ये noun के बारे में और चीज़ें ऐड करता है. It gives more meaning to that word, to that noun. They add something more to the meaning of noun. Is it clear? Adjectives are describing word. जब हम लोग किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, we want to say more and more about that. Suppose you are talking about your house. Then what you will say? I have a house. Only this much? No. You will say more and more about your house. How is your house? Where is it? How does it look like? है ना? So we will add more and more words about house. So the words which we use to add in the meaning of noun, those are called describing words. Clear? You can describe your house, you can describe your pencil, you can describe your mother. So what type of describing word we will use for mother? Like good mother, sweet mother, loving mother, cute mother, right? So the words which we are using to describe the noun are called adjectives. See what I have written. Describing words tell more about nouns. It tells more about nouns. They add something more to the meaning of nouns. नाउन के लिए ये और भी ज़्यादा उसके लिए मीनिंग ऐड करते हैं, वर्ड्स ऐड करते हैं. वी यूज डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स फॉर दैट नाउन. सी लाइक रूम. ओके, योर क्लासरूम. airy classroom, big classroom, small classroom, clean classroom, dirty classroom. The word which we are using to describe the word classroom, those words are adjectives. They are adding meaning to this noun. Is it? See, I have taken some nouns here. A man, a house, a girl. Let's take one adjective before these nouns. Let's describe these words. So, a man. Let's write a fat man. A fat man, right? House के लिए लेते हैं a beautiful house. Is it? A girl, a good girl. See, the word which we have used here to describe the noun, these words are adjective. I have described this man by saying fat man. The man is fat. So this fat word is used to describe this man. आदमी कैसा है? वो man कैसा है? Fat है. We are describing that man. The man is fat. तो ये fat word क्या हो गया? Adjective. A beautiful house. How is the house? Beautiful. Which word is describing this house? Beautiful. The beautiful is an adjective. A good girl. How is the girl? The girl is good. So good is an adjective. Adjective means describing words. Adjective means describing words. You can add some more adjectives here. A fat man. Okay, I am taking a tall man. A tall man. Okay, man is a noun. बट इस मैन को हम लोग और डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, ऐड कर रहे हैं एक वर्ड यहाँ पे. देन दिस टॉल, ये टॉल जो है वी विल से इट एन एडजेक्टिव. इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. लुक, वन मोर एडजेक्टिव लेते हैं यहाँ हाउस के पहले. ब्यूटीफुल हाउस, अ बिग हाउस, or you can say small house. Is it? So ये दोनों क्या हो गए? अरे ये दोनों क्या हो गए? These two describing words are adjective. Big and small are also adjective words. Let's describe more. Use more descriptive word for this girl. A good girl, a beautiful girl. और बताओ. A smart girl. A smart girl. So this smart is also an adjective. So I hope now you have understood. Once again I am repeating. Adjectives are describing words. Describing words tell more about nouns. They add something more to the meaning of nouns. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हम लोग नाउन के पहले यूज़ करते हैं. दीज वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन एंड दे ऐड समथिंग मोर टू द मीनिंग ऑफ नाउन. Noun is a word, noun is a single word, but when we say more and more about that noun, we use descriptive words. We use describing words, and those describing words are called adjectives. Let's see some more examples. Okay, see. A dash chair. A dash road. An dash man. A dash tree. A dash book. A dash boy. Chalo, let's fill with an adjective. A dash chair. Chair is a noun. Now let us describe this noun. किस तरह का chair है? You can say a new chair, a broken chair, and an is not written, so we cannot use old here. So you can write a new chair, a broken chair, a wooden chair. Okay? So you will write a new chair. You can add many more descriptive words. Not only this much. Okay? A new. A long road. An old man. A tall tree. A new book. A brave boy. The words which I have written with red pen, these are describing words. These words are describing these nouns. They are giving more meaning to the meaning of noun. कैसा चेयर है? How is the chair? It's a new chair. How is the road? Long road. How is the man? Old man. How is the tree? Tall tree. How is the book? New book. How is the boy? Brave boy. So I think you all have understood. Describing words are adjectives, and these adjectives add something more to the meaning of nouns. Nouns के meaning में और भी meaning को add करता है. Is it? Now I hope you all have understood on this topic. Some questions are there in your book in page number. Let me check. Just a minute. Yes. In page number 35, you can see some questions are based on it. Question number E, which we have left. Draw one line below the naming words and two lines below the adjectives in this sentence. तो आपको one line लगाना है nouns में, nouns के अंडरलाइन में करना है one line single line and adjective में double line. See, I like ripe bananas. तो banana is a name. It's a noun. So what word is used to describe banana? Ripe. Ripe मतलब पका हुआ. Ripe मतलब पका हुआ. So how is the banana? The bananas are ripe. So this ripe is an adjective word for this banana. So we will underline it. Double underline we will do here. To show the adjective and to show noun we will underline single line. Okay. Now see second question. This is a small spider. First you have to find what is the noun in this line. What is the noun? The noun is spider. Then what is the describing word used for this spider? Small. So how you will do? You will underline it with a single line and you will underline this adjective with a double line. Is it clear? So in this way you will do this question number E in your book. Okay children, goodbye. Thank you.